I've been eating only raw foods for exactly 7 years today, and nothing has changed my life more. It reversed all of my health problems, and it even changed my eye color. And it's actually improved my eyesight as well. So I'm gonna show you guys what I currently eat in a day. In the morning, an hour or two after I wake up is when I start eating, and I like something light and refreshing that will energize me and make me feel amazing. So I always start the day with a melon juice. In my beautiful juicer, my Nama, I either have watermelon juice or honeydew, which I've had recently. This is a game changer, it's so delicious, or cantaloupe. Okay, there's nothing like fresh juice. So delicious, makes you feel so high vibe and amazing, you guys. So I usually drink a lot of juice through the morning. For the first few hours, I literally do drink at least this much juice. So a mixture of melons or just watermelon juice. So good. And I can't wait to show you guys what I have for dinner. Wait till you see that. Next up, I have this high protein green smoothie after my workout. It is delicious. It is fresh spinach. It is chia seeds, which are so healthy, loaded in iron and great for your digestive system. I put flax oil in here as well, which is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are so important for our brain. I put a scoop of my favorite vanilla protein powder. This is the sunwarrior one. I can put my code down below. And I put frozen mango. You guys, this smoothie is freaking delicious. You gotta try it. And water to blend. You do not need dairy, you guys. Water is more hydrating in these smoothies and just as good. Beautiful green smoothie, high in protein, just so many nutrients. Makes me feel amazing, you guys. And I noticed a difference with the DHA. I also added in some of my favorite probiotics. I love probiotics and I add them in wherever I can. I'll link those down below. 10 out of 10. My all-time favorite snack lately as a raw foodie is cucumbers and guac, just like this. You dip them in. It is absolutely delicious. I cannot recommend it enough. And at least at one point in every day, I try to drink a freshly made green juice. It doesn't even compare to the store-bought. There's so much life force in green juice, and literally nothing makes me feel healthier, happier, high vibes, and full of life than green juice. I need my daily fix, so I'm gonna show you my favorite green juice right now. So this is zucchini, celery, lemon, parsley, a little bit of ginger. It's so delicious, you guys. Green juice, the biggest life force. Amazing. Add it into your diet today. If you could do one thing, add in making one fresh green juice a day. Dinner lately is a raw vegan Caesar salad with romaine and kale, homemade. And then I've been ordering this fresh homemade salad dressing from a place I love in Toronto, and it's called The Goods. So they make it fresh to order, so I don't have to do it, and it's all fresh and raw vegan. And it's sunflower seeds, lemon juice, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and garlic. And you guys, it is so good. So shout out to The Goods. This is not sponsored. Their stuff is freaking so amazing. So I put that on. And then I also enjoy some fresh rosemary, raw vegan flax crackers as well. Sometimes I'll break them up as like croutons and put them in as well. And I'll have some lemon on there. Look at that, you guys. Freaking so satisfying, delicious. Another thing that I've been having with all of my meals lately is digestive enzymes. I love these. They're by Lou Corona. He's 72. The guy looks and talks like he's literally 32. So he's inspired me so much. And they make my digestion even better. They're full of life. They make the meal digest better and make me feel amazing. And I think supplements are important. They make me thrive every day. I take these all-in-one supplements by Complement, which I'll link down below with my code. They're amazing. They have B12, D3, DHA, iodine, K2, zinc, magnesium, selenium, all in one. So I love them. I feel amazing. Let me know down below what you guys eat to feel amazing as well. And I love you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.